Nice. Let's check the new model from AGM, the AGM X6 Ponton. This is transparent edition, a special edition from them. Okay, now we are in a small Ponton. Okay, check the appearance of the design. And this time they provide two options for you to choose, and this is the measure temperature measurement, and also they have a night vision one. We can check the here, yeah, 50 megapixel main camera, and here's the LED flashlight, and this is the measure temperature measure sensor, and here's the transparent back panel, and we can find the battery information, chip information, screw, charging dot, magnetic charging dot, and this one is kind of matte, sand polish matte with texture, and here is transparent. And this time even the frame, except the frame, left and right side, the up and the button, also transparent. Okay, design is cool, and the thickness is just 9 millimeters. Keep 3.5 mm headphone jacket. Type-C charging dot. Here is the SIM card slot. Value, power button, and also the customized button here. Okay, this is the front side, 6.78 inch LCD screen. It's a punch hole screen. We can go to the here. Yes, find this is the punch hole LCD screen. Okay, and this time is a 5G chip from Unisoc T750, 6 nanometers producing technology, octa-core, max band 2.2 GHz frequency, gigahertz, 2 cores, and the 6 other cores. Okay, not find details information about the phone, but okay, we can test it. This time just 60 refresh rate hertz, not so high, and the gram is just 285 gram. The weight not so heavy, very slim and thin. Nice design. Here the camera zone AH is same like the frame, silver color. This is the camera. Where I find the transparent FPC. I think it's the FPC, the other element inside. Okay, very nice. Okay, screen, and also this time the battery is 5000 with 18 watt fast charging. Okay, we can go to the settings. Check the battery information. System XOS based on Android. We cannot find here. 13, I think. 14, sorry. New one. 14, and the display. Check if we can find the refresh rate information here. Night vision, night. Auto screen, okay. No information about the refresh rate. Battery, 71. And normally you can use this for 1 to 2 days. But if you want to charge it, I think it takes a long time because the charging watt is low, 18. But battery is big, 5000. And also the brightness, I think is so-so, because now I already adjust it to the peak brightness, max band, but still not so perfect. Okay. battery and the camera chips. Okay, let's try to a simple test for the camera. Okay, let's go deeper to the forest near my house, and it's a small mountain hill north. Okay, and let's try to zoom. I think maximum 10. Yes, 10. Okay. It's 60 megapixel front camera, and we can find it's okay. Just angles. High. Okay, I will put some pictures. End of the video. Switch. 50 megapixel mode. Okay. My short. More. Okay, go to the home page. Next. Okay. Yes, we can sit and talk about the smartphone. Wow. Very nice. I think this is outdoor, one of the best outdoor choice. Very nice. And we can test the and best choice for the backup phone. Okay, here we can find the forehead, wrist, object, records. I already measure. This is the temperature measure application. I already measure some object, storm, tree. Now let's try to test again. Okay, let's measure the first. Okay. Now I still have sunshine. I'll try to test the S. Okay. Okay, still hot. 43.9 centigrade. Okay, let's try to go deeper to the forest. There's no direct sunshine. Again. Here. Okay, again. It's much cooler. Okay, yes. 32. Then I try to tree. Okay. You need to keep 10 centigrade to 50. So it's correct. 32. Here. Button. 32. Okay. I think it's accurate. The application. A quick test about the temperature measurement and also the specification about the device. Okay, next have the waterproof test. Nice. Guys, now it's the waterproof test time for the AGM Mobile X6 Pantone Transparent Edition. Okay. Now, whoa, the washing oil is hot. Oh, I can try to test with. First, let me try to test the temperature now. It's very hot. Whoa! Now it's the ground temperature, 33.4, and even the water is hot, very hot. Okay. Oh, yes. Whoa, it is 6.2 water. Wash it. Put it here. High pressure. Wow. And do the waterproof test. See, ground is hot and pressure. What pressure? Yes. Works. Whoa. Nice. Okay. Now we watched the AGM X6. Now that's good. Checked phone. Survival and nothing happened. Just normal. Nice. AGM X6 button. Transparent edition. Works fine after the water washed it. The waterproof test. Nice. Thank you.